Stress is a fundamental part of human experience, designed as a survival mechanism to help individuals cope with perceived challenges or threats. Whether it's a looming work deadline, financial difficulties, or personal issues, stress triggers a response within the body that prepares it to react swiftly to these challenges. Stress is something we all experience, but when it becomes chronic, it can have serious impacts on both our mind and body. Let's explore the nature of stress, how chronic stress affects us, and how we can manage it. Stress is the body's internal response to perceived challenges or threats. When something stressful happens, the brain signals the body to prepare for action, activating what we call the fight or flight response. Under normal circumstances, once the perceived threat has passed, the parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, kicks in, calming the body, slowing the heart rate, and promoting recovery and relaxation. This is the natural cycle of stress and recovery. But what happens when stress doesn't go away? When stress is prolonged or frequent, as often seen in modern life, the body stays in an activated state, leading to serious physical and mental health consequences. Chronic stress takes a toll on the body. It can affect the nervous system, our hormones, and our heart health. Chronic stress could weaken your immune system, cause digestive issues, and even create constant headaches and muscle tension. Mentally, chronic stress can lead to anxiety, depression, and burnout. It also makes it harder to think clearly, concentrate, and remember things, leaving you feeling overwhelmed. To manage stress, it's important to use techniques that engage both the mind and body. One effective method is practicing mindfulness and meditation, which helps calm the mind and reduce the impact of negative thoughts. Yoga and Tai Chi are also great for reducing stress. They combine gentle movement, breath control, and mindfulness, helping to release physical tension and promote relaxation. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, visualization, and guided imagery can be done daily to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, helping the body return to a calm state. Cognitive behavioral techniques, such as cognitive restructuring, help you identify and reframe negative thoughts into more balanced, realistic ones. This can reduce the emotional impact of stress. Problem solving is another useful tool. Breaking down stressors into manageable steps gives you a sense of control and helps reduce feelings of helplessness. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits, like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep boosts your body's ability to cope with stress. These routines can reduce the physical effects of chronic stress. While stress is an unavoidable part of life, chronic stress can be managed and even reversed with the right strategies. By taking steps to care for both your mind and body, you can improve your overall well-being and enjoy a healthier, more balanced life. Managing stress is not just about coping with today's challenges. It's about building resilience for tomorrow. If needed, seeking professional help through therapy can provide tools for managing chronic stress and dealing with unresolved emotions. Until next time, may you be balanced, and may you be well.